Hi, I'm Pablo. My name's Pod. I'm Uniqua. I'm Tasha. My name's Tyrone. My name's Austin. And welcome to the Backyard Cast. Mighty Knights Storytime. Dragon Hiccups. Once upon a time, the Mighty Knights had to help Dragon overcome the dreadful Dragon Hiccups. Gonna not again. Oh, oh, Dragon. Oh, Dragon, come here and catch the ball. Oh, wah, wah. Whoa, fire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think Dragon has a case of the hiccups. I think Dragon has the case of the hiccups. Come on. We gotta go see the king. The knights headed to King Pablo and Queen Luna. Right there, they learned that Dragon had the dreadful dragon hiccups. Dunna! This sound is not gonna leave me alone, is it? To cure the okay, mighty knights, to cure the dreadful dragon hiccups, dunna! You have to find a special hiccup curing plant. A hiccup curing plant? Yes, a hiccup curing plant. Where do we find that? Should be somewhere in the Flighty Berry Forest. Ooh, the Flighty Berry Forest. Come on, Sir Tyrone. We gotta cure the oh, come on. I said it quietly that time. Come on, my unique. Come on, that Uniqua. Two horse. So off they went. So off the mighty knights went to the Flighty Berry Forest to try to find the special hiccup curing plant. Tweedledee. What can I do for you? Flighty Berry. We are here to find a special hiccup curing plant. Hiccup curing plant? I'm not sure I know where that is, but there are some plants over there. Come on. So the Flighty Fairy took them to see some hiccup here to see some plants. Whoa. How do we find it? I know. Tweedledee. Reveal the hiccup curing plant. And for you. There it is. Uh-oh. Sounds like Dragon's about to hiccup again. We need to get him to eat the plant. Wow, he's cured. Thanks, Flighty Fairy. You help us cure the you know what. Dunna! Oh, come on, I didn't even say it that time. And so, the Mighty Knights have finished their challenge. And so ends our story time. And so ends our story time adventure.